In this episode, we're talking about action words. Well, welcome back. It's Tom Jackobs here, your impact pilot, helping you take off your sales and making a real impact on your revenue. So let's talk about that. Action words and selling. We always need to incorporate those to make people take an action. And I say that make people, you're not really making anybody do anything because they're doing it because you were so convincing about your product and service that they absolutely want to take that next action. So what are action words? These are words that are going to get people to take an action. And typically this is during the closing or a trial close as part of the sales process. You want to make sure that you're using words that are going to get that prospect to actually take the action of moving forward. So you might want to say something like, shall we go ahead and move forward with this? That's an action, move forward. Or would you like to go ahead and grab that today? That's an action, grabbing it. It's creating a movement in somebody's brain, and they can actually visualize moving forward or grabbing something or taking an action. Did you want to put that on a Visa or a MasterCard? That's my favorite closing statement, by the way. That, again, is a taking an action. So using action words while you are in that sales process is going to create a visual representation in somebody's mind about moving, taking an action, because that ultimately is what you want out of the sales process. The person taking an action, whether that's getting your product or walking out the door, that's some type of an action. So incorporate really good action words in your next sales process and watch your sales really take off. So until next time, I hope you are taking action on these, making comments below, and you have a great day.